Standard 9th, Science and Technology, Part 1st, Chapter number 2, Work and Energy. Now, in this part, we are going to study about the power. Now, what is the exact meaning of power? Here, there are two conditions are given. A object with mass m is placed at this ground level and it is to be lifted through a height h up to point B. Again, in second condition also, the object with mass m is to be lifted again up to the same height h up to point B. Now, this displacement is same. That means work done is same in both the cases. But difference is the required time. Here, in first case, the required time for this displacement or this work done is 5 seconds, and in second case, the time required is of 10 seconds. This is the difference. That means in first case, the time required is less than that of the time required in the second case. Therefore, work done is same but time is less. Work done is same but time taken is more. Therefore, we can conclude the rate of work done in first case is more and rate of work done in second case is less. The rate of work done is nothing but the power. Now, in this example, work done in both the conditions is the same, but the time required to perform the work is different. At which rate the work is done, that expression is called as power. We can define power as the rate of work done, and formula for power is equal to, that is P is equal to work done divided by time. To find the SI unit of power, we will place the SI units of work and time. Then we will get SI unit of power is equal to SI unit of work divided by SI unit of time. The SI unit of work is joule and SI unit of time is equal to second. Now, that means joule per second. Joule per second means watt. Therefore, what is the meaning of 1 watt? 1 watt is equal to 1 joule of work done in 1 second. In industrial sector, the unit used to measure power is horsepower. HP, commonly it is abbreviated as HP. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. The unit of energy for commercial use is kilowatt hour. What is the meaning of kilowatt hour? Kilo means 1000. 1000 watt energy is consumed in 1 hour. That value is kilowatt hour. If 1000 joule energy is used to perform work in 1 second, the power consumed is 1 kilowatt. Now, if this 1 kilowatt power is getting used for 1 hour, the total energy consumed will be 1 kilowatt hour. Now, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. Kilowatt means 1000 watt. Into 1 hour contains 60 minutes and this 60 minutes contains 60 seconds. Therefore, it is equal to 1000 watt into 60 into 60, 3600 seconds is equal to, this multiplication will come like this, 36 lakh watt second. Therefore, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 36 lakh joule. We are putting the decimal point at this place, that means 3.6 To make this, we have to divide this value by 10 lakh, and also we have to multiply it by 10 lakh. Then the value will not change. Therefore, we will get 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. Therefore, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. Electric energy used for the domestic purposes is measured in the unit kilowatt hour, and we call it as 1 unit of electricity. Thank you.